this video we will discuss about electron transport chain, and that is usually occurred in the mitochondria. So what happens in this electron transport chain? Electron from the electron donors is transferred to the electron acceptors, and this leads to create a electrochemical gradient ion within the mitochondria, and that leads to the formation of this ATP, ATPase, ADP to ATPase. This is adenosine triphosphate. So main contributor for this electron transport chain is NADH and FADH, FAD2. So what happens is when NADH is converted to NAD, create a it leads to create a uh, proton gradient or electrochemical, we can say chemical electrochemical gradient within the mitochondria. And this along with this, what happens is that this transfer of electron from donor to acceptor is the is a, energetic process. And what this energetic process is, that the energy is transferred from a system to the surrounding. So the surrounding in this case is the mitochondria environment, and this mitochondria environment, uh, along with this electron transfer from NADH to NAD plus conversion, the oxidation of cytochrome C is also occurred in case of eukaryotic cells, and this will also contribute uh, to electron transport chain. Uh, and since this conversion of NADH to NAD plus proton ion is occurred, the excess proton ion within the mitochondria will cause a proton gradient, as I have already mentioned here, and creates a situation. This creates a situation uh, that leads to the conversion of this ADP to ATP, or we can say adenosine diphosphate to adenosine triphosphate, and this is the energy that is being utilized by cells for its functioning. So main reason why mitochondria is known as powerhouse of the cells is because of the generation of this ATP within mitochondria. And in case of eukaryotic cells, uh, what happens is that most of this electron transport chain reaction occurs in the inner membrane, that is shown here. And this uh, in aerobic condition, this electron transport chain reaction is stopped with the addition of oxygen molecules to the final charged compound. And in case of anaerobic reaction, this electron transport chain is stopped with the help of some charged component, or we can say by reacting with another charged component such as sulfate. So this is how the electron transport chain terminates in both anaerobic and aerobic condition. And we have discussed in one of our previous videos that the problem that occurs with the when the cytochrome C is moves into the when the cytochrome C moves into the cytosol of the cells is that it creates a problem in which cells are not able to produce enough energy for its own functioning. And this is because the cytochrome C contributes in the electron transport chain, and that finally leads to the formation of ATP from ADP, that is adenosine triphosphate. So when the cytochrome C is not available in sufficient amount within the mitochondria, then the amount of ATP that is produced will get reduced, and this will lead to energy deficient condition within the cells. I hope you have understood something about an electron transport chain and how it is related to the energy requirement of the cells. If you need to understand this thing in details, you can go through the reference that has been provided in the description. That's all for this video, and you can also go through the cross reference that are available in this reference. That's all for this video. Thank you for your time.